How to check like stories on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you check like stories on Instagram. So now then, to begin with, open the Instagram application and log in. So what you have to understand is that since stories are only for 24 hours, and when you like the stories within 24 hours you'll be able to see the liked stories, but after 24 hours it's going to be quite difficult, or if the story is still present in the highlights then you could find it. Otherwise there's no way you could check the like stories on Instagram. Now, for example, I'm going to open this up, the story, and then what next I'm going to do is just simply tap on the heart icon, right? So as you could see, this was 19 hours before the story has been posted. But after a couple of time, this story is going to be deleted automatically and I can no longer see the heart icon. Now, if the story was of maybe 1 hour, let's say, you could find the like story within 24 hours or the heart icon at the bottom in 24 hours. But there is no specifically, or there is no such thing. You cannot filter a like stories, but you may find them if they were originally posted as a part of a feed or a post. So now what you could also do is, if you want to check the other part of the settings, you could click on the profile icon and go to the menu bar. When you go to the menu section, you go to the your activity, and here you have these likes, but you will not be able to see the likes that you've done or that you've made on the story. You'll only be able to see the likes that you've made on the post. So you need to understand this. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.